Welcome back, guys. In this video I'm going to show you an easy way to make a passive income. You can make up to $500 per month using this method. Also, you're going to generate this passive income using completely free traffic source, and this traffic source is getting around 1 billion views every single month. So just get into videos. Before that, if you're new to my channel, subscribe, like and share. I make money saving tutorials videos, so I try to upload one video every day or every other day. So subscribe, like and share. And if you want to win a £10 PayPal money, all you have to do is like this video, watch the video until the end. So this video is divided into 6 different sections, so I put the timestamp. You can go and watch the specific section if you want. First, what you have to do, this is the free traffic source, Pinterest. I get into a video straight away, guys. This Pinterest is getting nearly 1 billion views every single month. It's a type of social media where you can share the pin. People can come and they click the pin. It will take you to the different website, a blog, or even a affiliate marketing method. I made a bunch of video in the past. You can go and check it out. So this specific video, I'm going to target in a specific market, that is specific niche, that you can generate up to $500 per month as a passive income. So what you have to do, first, create a Pinterest account. After you create that, you need to create a business account with them. So when you create a business account, and you can go to this section called analytics, and if you click audience insight, and it will give you 2 type of audience insight. One for your specific page, the type of views you are getting every single month, and the all Pinterest user. This is the important part we need. So if you go down the bottom, for this past month, home decoration became trending on Pinterest. That you can see 68% of view is coming from home decoration related product search on Pinterest, right? Under that, you can see room decoration, home accessories, home actions, walls, kitchen. These are the different categories inside the home decoration, bringing traffic to Pinterest. So people are searching these categories in Pinterest. So you can utilize this free traffic at the moment to generate some passive income. All you have to do now is go to the magic website. The magic website is Amazon, right? Now, this because I'm living in UK, so I do go to amazon.co.uk. If Amazon is not available, you can go to amazon.com. You can just go to the bottom of the page and click become an associate and become an affiliate, become Amazon affiliate, right? So you can say become affiliate and you can join, and then you don't have to submit anything. You can join, but only problem with that, within the 90 days you need to generate at least 3 sales to keep the account, right? That's the thing you need to remember. That what you have to do now, go to Amazon and search home decorations or whatever the category that you find out on Pinterest, because in different month different things become a trending. So you need to, that's why you need to have a business account with them. Now what you have to do, search home decoration type of product on Amazon, right? This is the product I want to promote. That is then how you should do that. You can see I don't want to promote a picture from Amazon because Pinterest also recommend to upload videos there. So type of video, this is my home decoration page, 1 video is uploaded. They recommend videos because videos keep the people longer and also able to make them to watch more video from your page, so Pinterest can keep the views inside the Pinterest. That's the reason, right? So they also recommend to upload videos. Now what you have to do, you need to find this product and you need to find the video. You don't have to buy this product to make videos, or you don't have to go to YouTube and download a review video to upload. No, don't do that. What you have to do now, this is the product that you want to promote. What you have to go to Amazon.com and search the same product. On Amazon.com, they have the video for the same product. This is the thing. Amazon.com is a big website, big marketplace. So most of the sellers are from Amazon.com. So they sell it from different parts of the world. Now, what you have to do, they upload videos on over there. Sometimes there are no videos uploaded on different Amazon site. So there's no video on .co.uk, but there's a video on .com for the same product. Now, what you have to do is download this product. What you have to do, so first, when you go to Google, if you are using Google extension, Google Chrome, so you have to download an extension called Flash Video Downloader, which is free. So once you download that, go to the video and click this video to play, and click this is the extension that you downloaded, and if you click this open, that will show the videos that present on this page. These are the videos and some other videos plus the image. So the download the specific video that you want, click this download button. It will download in your computer completely free. You don't have to buy for anything. So that this part is done. You find the which product or which niche that you want to promote on Pinterest. So you go to Amazon to find the specific product and download the videos from Amazon. So videos tend to perform better, so you have to promote the videos better than the pictures. Now what you have to do, upload that video onto Pinterest. So click this plus sign because you already create a board. That's why you're gonna look like this. Otherwise you can upload a video, then you can create a board. Otherwise it's the same thing. So click this pin, and you can see MP4 file smaller than 2 GB. So they recommend a 2 GB smaller video file, so it's less than 20-second videos. You can see this is the video I want to upload. That's only 13 megabytes, so smaller. So I'll click this and open that. That's it. What you have to do now, just copy and paste method, guys. So all you have to do, go to here and copy the title and put it on here. Right now title is a little bit longer, so what you can do, remove the things that you want. So they create a home. Okay, now what you do, paste the same title on the description and go back and copy the some of the description, right? Because you can add more than 500 word on the Pinterest, so you can add 500, I think it's a 500 words, something like that. So if not, they will give the red sign that you can remove a couple of words from that. So you can see I need to remove 234 words and 65 here, and okay, remove this section. After you've done that, on uploading video they give a specific section for ad tags. So click what you do and click type home decor, then they give all the things the people are searching for. You can see home decor under the home decoration tips, something like that. So you search add 50 tags if you want. So remove the mask again, add a couple of them. If you type home decor, and you can see this is the thing, and I add a couple of hashtags. After you put your hashtags, go to Amazon and get your affiliate link. When you signed into your affiliate network, you can get this they call Stripe, something like that, on top of your Amazon page, that you can get your affiliate link faster. So click this one called text and copy that link and go to your Pinterest, and you can put it on here. Like I said in the previous videos, Pinterest allow affiliate link from Amazon and eBay. They don't allow affiliate link from ClickBank or Max Bounty. That's the thing. So select the board that you want to put it in. So my one is home decoration, so you can, this is the thing, and publish. That's it, guys. Your video is get published. Now that you can see, now what you can do, upload these videos, couple of those videos under a specific niche. Whenever your board start, your videos or your pin start to get more attention, people will click and go back and buy things from Amazon, that you can earn money. And also you can go to a specific category. Now you know what kind of category bringing traffic, so you can create a specific board for each category and upload product for that. So you can upload product for education, you can upload product for DIY, craft, entertainment, something like that, and you can get enough views and you can convert that into paid customer. One thing you need to understand is Pinterest is not a teenager's game. It's TikTok. It's not TikTok, because on TikToks most of them are teenagers, but whenever the people are using Pinterest most of them are adults. So when they find something they like, they will go to the website and buy that from you, and you can earn commission for each sales that you make. I hope you can understand this, guys. It's depend on you. If you upload more product in the different categories, that you can bring more views and you can convert them into customers, and you can earn commission for each sales. In this video that you can make up to $500 per month as a passive income from Amazon, but it's all up to you. You need to upload more content to Pinterest. Like I said, this method works worldwide. So if Amazon is not available, you can go to amazon.com and join the affiliate network with them and promote that. and still that you can make a passive income from it, guys. Thanks guys for watching. If you want to win a £10 PayPal money, all you have to do, subscribe, like, share, watch the video until, if you watch the video until the end, click the like button and leave a comment, I like this video, and I will pick a winner when this video get 100 likes, guys. Thanks guys for watching. See you next video.